Hey everyone, this is Matthew. Welcome back to the channel. Today is Monday, November 3rd, 2025, and this is your daily Nasdaq futures recap. Market news. At 9:45 a.m., S&P Global Manufacturing PMI was released, followed by 10 a.m. ISM Manufacturing PMI. At 11:30 a.m., we had the 3-month and 6-month bill auctions. FOMC member Daly spoke at 12 noon, and Fed Governor Cook at 2 p.m. After the close, Palantir reported earnings. Overnight session. The market jumped about 50 points at 6 p.m. A strong start for the new week. Our robot entered a long position immediately, as Nasdaq climbed to 26,110. Our long position carried an unrealized gain of $145. Morning session. Momentum continued. By 8:30 a.m., Nasdaq reached 26,178, pushing our unrealized gain over $300. At 9:10 a.m., it hit 26,250, and profits grew to $385. When the market opened at 9:30 a.m., Nasdaq surged. Unrealized profit topped $450. At 9:45 a.m., PMI data came out at 52.5, slightly higher than the prior 52.2, and the market began to dip. Our robot closed the long position and flipped short, locking in $375 in realized profit. Minutes later, it switched long again. But when the ISM PMI at 10 a.m. came in weaker at 48.7 versus 49.1, the market reversed. Our long turned into a short, and as the slide continued, unrealized gain reached $150. By 10:30 a.m., as the European markets closed, Nasdaq started to recover. The robot flipped long again. Total realized profit hit $440, with $54 more unrealized. Afternoon session. Around 2 p.m., the market dipped again, stopping out our long position. The robot briefly went short, closed quickly, and the rest of the afternoon stayed calm. After hours, Palantir released earnings. Price spiked from 205 to 222, then pulled back sharply. Nasdaq reacted instantly. Our robot captured a quick long trade with a small profit and wrapped up a 23-hour trading cycle. Total profit for the day, $315 from E-micro Nasdaq futures and $1,161 from AMD. Combined total, $1,476. Summary. A textbook Monday trade. Markets jumped on the Asian Open and softened after the U.S. Open. AMD surged more than $6 from 254 to 260. And our robot rode the swings beautifully, earning over $1,000 trading just 100 shares. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow for the next Nasdaq Futures Recap.